Hey team! Welcome back epic viewers online. In this episode clip 174 divided by 174 which equals 1 and 174 divided by 174 equals 1. Now we have this problem 1 divided by 1 which equals 1. But this answer is not correct because according to the order of operations we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division 174 divided by 174 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 174 divided by 174, and we can write this part as 1 over 174 divided by 174. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 174 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 174 which equals 1 over 30,276, and this is our final answer for this problem. Thanks for watching. Hit like and subscribe if you want more.